Raw materials arrive at the factory to begin the process.
The crates are brought into a controlled environment.
Realistic CGI pythons arrive safely at the facility.
Trained staff carefully unload the python containers.
They are given proper hydration and monitored closely.
The pythons are kept in a comfortable care area.
Next, a routine medical checkup is performed. A detailed scan ensures the python is healthy.
The python remains calm throughout the process.
The python texture hides are taken to the wet blue processing area.
The hides are loaded into large wet blue drums for treatment.
The wet blue hides are inspected to ensure perfect quality.
The wet blue hides are inspected to ensure perfect quality.
The hides are immersed in dye baths for full color penetration.
The python texture hides enter the automated dyeing line. After dyeing, the hides dry and are checked for perfect color. High-quality python leather with lifelike texture and natural sheen.
The dyed hides enter the finishing section for polishing and coating.
Powerful spray jets apply deep, even color to the hides. Each finished hide is carefully inspected before moving to the next stage. The finished hides are brought into the waterproofing section for chemical treatment. A protective coat is applied to enhance durability and shine. The hides are polished and smoothed for a premium finish. Each hide is checked to ensure complete waterproof protection.
Skilled artisans carefully stitch the python texture hides into elegant handbags.
Belts are stitched with precision, maintaining the natural texture.
Shoes are crafted by stitching the python texture hides into perfect form.
The finished shoes are polished and checked for perfect quality.
A beautiful collection of accessories crafted from python texture synthetic leather.
The luxury car interior features premium python leather throughout, from seats to dashboard.
Premium python texture accessories beautifully displayed inside a luxury car.
Stylish apparel is designed from python texture synthetic leather with perfect detailing.
The complete collection of python leather accessories displayed in style.
A complete collection of python leather jackets, shoes, wallets, belts, and caps showcased in a professional studio.